Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 17, 2024. Here is another weekly edition. But we just got a pretty nice bullish candle this week, and the market just went all the way up to new all-time high. S&P 500 weekly candle close and also daily as well above a 5,300. Right now we are at 5,304, which is kind of like a great for all those bulls in the market. So we will give market benefit of that, but I believe that any minor correction could be bought by buyers, and we are just getting into a potentially last phase of this bull market. And this last phase is not going to be, I should say, limited. It's going to be exponential, epic rally to the upside. And my potential target is going to be 55 to 5,800 for S&P 500, which is kind of like a, let's say, another 10% or more. So we can get a kind of like a decent rally in this summer. 10%, it's going to be a fantastic for lots of names. But after that, we will see how it goes. But right now, market is in bullish momentum. Weekly chart shows us that we are just getting back to the bullish momentum. I know there is a small divergence here in RSI, which is going to be faded away. I believe that we are going to just stay here overbought for a couple of weeks, even few months, I should say, because IMI just bottom here. And as you see here, IMI is kind of like a leading indicator. And whenever we just got the bottom here, we're just getting back to the bullish momentum to the upside. And it's kind of like a give us early signal that market is just poised for another new all-time high or a new exponential rally. Moving on to daily chart, which we just got a pretty positive day, flat. So this is kind of like a bullish consolidation, I believe. If it consolidates here, that's going to be a fantastic price action for bulls, because next new all-time high is coming down the road. So we will give market benefit of doubt. Moving on to Nasdaq. For today, Nasdaq, we just got flat, birdie flat, doji bar. It's kind of like the same price action with the S&P 500. It's just a bullish consolidation. If it goes down even to this area, which is going to be 18,300, that's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity for the next. Weekly chart is telling us the same thing. So if you just go to weekly chart, it's just giving us kind of like a confirmation, at least to me, that the next level is going to be 19,847, somewhere close to 20,000. You can't believe that, but this is what it is. So Nasdaq is just poised to the upside. We just got a weekly close above all-time high, new all-time high today, and we will give market Nasdaq benefit of doubt. However, Nasdaq could be kind of like a laggard compared to the other ones. Moving on to Dow Jones, which just got new all-time high, new closing all-time high today. A weekly chart tells us exactly the same thing. So we just got back into rallies. Stochastic still, we are just heading to overbought condition, which means we still have more room to go. So when I just look at this, we just got recently pulled back, and market just carved up a bit and then sharply moving back to the upside. So whenever we see this situation, I should say the exponential rally is coming. I believe that 40,000, that was my level for this year. But I'm kind of like extending this one. Potentially 42,000 is coming down the road, and that's going to be a huge rally for energy, banks, and also healthcare stocks as well. Moving on to daily charts, the daily is kind of like telling us the same thing as I said yesterday. So if we just get consolidation, that would be great. But today price action doesn't show any consolidations, just had like a nice momentum. But if we get some kind of like a pullback last week of May, so we can see some kind of like a good rally afterwards. So stay on the side if you have still cash available. I'm sure that lots of people are fully invested or they are invested. Make sure don't short the market, because market is, well, I'm just advising whatever I have in my portfolio. I'm not telling you what you guys need to do, but if you want to short it, short. But I'm just telling you that market has a fantastic momentum to the upside. So shorting is kind of like a dangerous, if you ask me. Moving on to gold, which had fantastic parabolic move to the upside. It's just going higher and higher. And I believe that gold is just getting back to its bullish momentum. I believe that this summertime, we will get into 24 to 2,500, 2,577. That's the level that I'm just looking for. Gold just to keep its momentum after 2 weeks down. We just got back 2 weeks up, new closing all-time high weekly. So this is perfect scenario for gold. Daily chart is telling us the same thing. So this is kind of like, as I said, this is just a minor correction to 20-day and then getting back to the upside. So new closing all-time high for gold at 24.15 right now. That's fantastic move today. Silver just 6% to the upside. Look at that, folks. As I said, silver is just waking up, and look at the candle here. It's just a parabolic move to the upside. $32 is coming. So right now we are at 31.49.50. I believe silver 32 is going to be very, very possible scenario. There are lots of good names actually in silver. I covered that on Pan American Silver. I'm kind of like a bullish on that one. I bought it for myself and I advised my subscribers as well. They bought it. So what a move today. Fantastic move for silver. Moving on to crude, which kind of like got into positive territory as well. I believe that crude is just started. So we just got a shakeout here, but this is just the shakeout, as I said. So crude is just getting back to its bullish momentum. And I believe that the next high is going to be 82. If we get above this, a pullback could be great buying opportunity. 84, 88, and then 92 down the road. So I believe 92 crude is coming. And unfortunately, gas prices are going to go higher as well. So I just moved to Tesla recently and just purchased kind of like a prepared my Tesla to just get rid of gas, because gas is headache, maintenance is headache for this stuff. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had fantastic move today, 2.56% to the upside. Great move for Bitcoin. Ethereum on the other side just broken up nicely. So as I said yesterday, if we get close above this wedge, we can see some kind of like a good move in altcoins. And I believe that at the same scale rally like this is going to just happening here. And 44,000, and this is my mark, like 46,000 to 48,000. Sorry, 4,600 to 4,800 is coming down the road for Ethereum if we get just above 3,200. So it's going to be a good move, actually. I'm expecting a very nice move coming down the road. Bond yield is getting back to the upside after yesterday's surge. This is interesting. Gold is up, silver is up, bond yield is up. So this means one of them needs to drop the towel. I believe this is the one. The bond yield is going to go down, or they can go at the same time together to the upside, which is going to be super inflationary situation. It's going to be very, very bad for the next Federal Reserve meeting, because they said that we are not going to increase the rate. Maybe they are blinking to the rate hike another time. I don't know. If they do so, that's going to be a huge kind of like a slap to the market. Treasury on the other side just going down today, $91. Just a very, very technical reaction to this level. Hit this trend line, coming back down. Inverse correlation with bond yield. VIX is down like a below $12, $11.99 right now. So this is very interesting. When we see VIX at this level, this means market potentially is at the top and VIX at the bottom. Or if it goes lower, this means the parabolic move for the stock market is coming. Dixie, 6 cents up today. Not a bad session, just a doji bar. Dixie doesn't follow bond yield. So that's why I'm kind of like a suspicious on the rate down the road. Moving on to the magma indicator, 88 cents up today. Not a bad session. Technology was mixed. As you see, just Nasdaq barely positive, and we just got a mixed signal from technology names. Apple, 3 cents up, just a doji bar consolidating here. That's going to be the best thing for Apple. It can go higher. Warren Buffett just reduced its position, but still it has. He has like a 40%, 43% of his portfolio in Apple. So this means still he believes in this, but just slightly reduce his position. Amazon, just the uptick today, $1.07 up. Meta, $1.32 down. Microsoft, 78 cents down. Google, $1.88 up. Good price action for Google, new all-time high. Congratulations for all those Google shareholders. Netflix at $10.58 up today. Good bullish consolidation, not about price action at all. And also Tesla, just getting back to its momentum. Tesla needs to go above $200. If it goes above $200, so it can just go back to its bullish momentum. Semiconductors, actually, they just got weak today. Just went down $1.95 down today. A SOX $1.30 down. Taiwan Semiconductor 55 cents down. And AMD, that was the only positive name. However, just got into this demand area, reversing down. I believe that AMD is just consolidating here for a next rally to 183. 180 to 180. NVIDIA coming down after just a triple top. No, I don't think so. It's going to go down, potentially fill out this gap, and then getting back to the bullish momentum. Texas Instruments, 5 cents down up today. Good holding up here. So if Texas hold here and consolidating, I would say higher high is coming, which I believe higher high is coming for this name. Lam Research just smashed down. So that was kind of like a weakness for the semiconductor. So Lam Research, a $30 down today, crazy sell-off. So I don't know what happened to that, a potentially financial statement or news, or I don't know, fundamental, or someone said something. I have no idea, but Lam Research just smashed today. XLF, which is Financial Spider, just getting back to the upside, new all-time high, 31 cents up. KBE, 21 cents up. KRE, 34 cents up today. Not about price action. JP Morgan, $2.38 up. Fantastic move. New all-time high. Goldman Sachs, $3.20 up. New closing all-time high today. And also Bank of America, 9 cents up. Not a bad session. Just as sold up after hitting new all-time high. And Wells Fargo still lagging, 6 cents up. But this one is laggard right now. Moving on to the rocket star for today, and also my portfolio, GDX, 3.99 cents, a fantastic move for GDX. This is absolutely coming to our expectation and also to our analysis. I'm very happy that I just gave you all kind of like a free analysis about this stuff. I feel good. Just telling you that gold miners are going to outperform the market. And sure enough, look at that. So it's just going higher and higher, $36. It goes above this pivotal point, which is the positive point, and we can go all the way up to $40, I believe. GDXJ, the same pattern here. Look at the rocking to the upside. So $2.07 up, 4.67% to the upside. Fantastic move. AEM, $1.30 up. Great move today. Newmont, 90 cents up. Good price action. It's just challenging this top. If it goes above this, which I believe 46 is coming down the road, and then 51, I believe so. Moving on to Franco-Nevada, just that rocketing to the upside. Franco, if it goes above 130, 136 is coming down the road, which is going to be a supply area. But the bigger one is going to be 150 to 152 or 154. I believe that that's going to be a good level to sell. We have this buy here. So we bought it here, and still I put this trend line just because I said this ending diagonal formed a very bullish momentum to the upside, and Franco-Nevada can go higher. I know it was laggard compared to AEM, compared to GDX, but it made it move. Gold Barrick, nice shooting to the upside, so 2% up, not a bad price action. Moving on to the energy spider. So XLE just broken up nicely today. Great price action. As I said before, they're just forming a bullish momentum to the upside and then can go higher. Exxon, the same pattern here, XOP. So $1.98 up. OIH, Oil and Gas Exploration ETF, Oil and Gas Services. They're just hiking higher today and going above these two pivotal points. I believe that this is a nice reverse head and shoulder. If you just look at this, and this can go higher potentially to kind of like a challenging this double top here. So we will see how it goes, but this is definitely bullish. Exxon, a breakout today nicely, going higher. This bull flag triggers, and we just expecting a higher high is coming. Chevron as well, so going up, higher high, higher low. It is in bullish momentum. If it goes above 167, 174 is coming for Chevron as well. All right, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a fantastic, wonderful weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.